A warm welcome to the Financial Breeze YouTube channel. Today we delve into the financial journeys of two prominent figures in the world of entrepreneurship, Elon Musk and Mark Cuban. These are the stories of two men who, against all odds, managed to build their empires and amass enormous wealth. Their tales are not merely about money, but about foresight, tenacity, and the audacity to seize opportunities. But let's be clear, we're not affiliated with them in any way. We're here to discuss their journeys, their decisions, and the lessons they offer. Remember, we're exploring their journeys not because we're affiliated with them, but because we believe there's a lot we can learn from these titans of industry. Elon Musk, the name that's synonymous with electric vehicles and space travel. But did you know his wealth journey began long before Tesla and SpaceX? Let's dive into the early days of Musk's rise to understand the origins of his vast empire. In the midst of the dot-com boom of the late 90s, an ambitious young entrepreneur named Elon Musk made a savvy investment that would net him $12 million. This was Musk's first significant windfall, but it was just the beginning. This investment, which was considered unique even during the fervor of the dot-com boom, was not in any of the typical tech giants we associate with that era. Instead, Musk saw potential in a different kind of technology, one that would later become a cornerstone of the digital age. This investment, despite its unconventional nature, set in motion a sequence of events that would eventually lead Musk to becoming one of the wealthiest people on the planet. Fast forward to 2002, and Musk found himself in possession of an additional $100 million, again thanks to his early investment. It was this staggering sum that allowed Musk to establish SpaceX, a company that would revolutionize space travel and redefine what was possible. In 2004, just 2 years after the creation of SpaceX, Musk turned his attention to a fledgling electric vehicle company named Tesla. Seeing the potential for electric vehicles to upend the traditional automotive industry, Musk became a significant investor in Tesla. He would later assume the position of CEO, guiding the company to its current status as a leading force in the EV market. Today, these two companies, SpaceX and Tesla, have a combined value of approximately $1 trillion, and they account for the majority of Musk's staggering $240 billion net worth. But remember, it all began with that unconventional investment during the dot-com boom. Musk's fortune was not built overnight, nor was it the result of a single brilliant idea. Instead, it was the product of strategic investments, a pioneering spirit, and an unwavering belief in the transformative power of technology. Musk's story is a testament to the power of smart investments and a vision for the future, but he's not the only one who has leveraged technology to build an empire. From bartending in Dallas to owning the Mavericks, Mark Cuban's journey is nothing short of extraordinary. Born in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, Cuban's entrepreneurial spirit was evident from a young age, selling garbage bags door to door to pay for his basketball shoes. After graduating from Indiana University, he moved to Dallas, Texas, where he worked as a bartender and then a salesperson for a PC software retailer. But it was in the early 1990s that Cuban's path to billionaire status began to take shape. Like Musk, Cuban recognized the potential of the unusual investment vehicle that was emerging during the technological revolution. He saw the opportunity in this new wave of technology and decided to take a risk. He established an internet radio company, Broadcast.com, which was one of the first of its kind. In 1999, during the height of the dot-com boom, Cuban hit the jackpot. Yahoo acquired Broadcast.com for a staggering $5.7 billion in stock, turning Cuban into an instant billionaire. The same year Elon Musk made his $12 million, Cuban was reaping in billions. After the sale of Broadcast.com, Cuban diversified his investments, including purchasing the Dallas Mavericks, a professional basketball team. His other ventures include film production, real estate, and various startups. He's also well known for his role as an investor on the reality TV show Shark Tank, where he's known for his sharp business acumen and no-nonsense approach. Cuban, like Musk, has shown a knack for identifying lucrative opportunities in the face of technological change. He used the same unusual investment vehicle to amass his fortune during the dot-com boom and has continued to invest in and support tech startups. Despite his vast wealth, Cuban has never forgotten his roots. He's known for his philanthropy and his commitment to helping others succeed. He's a firm believer in the power of hard work, determination, and a little bit of luck. Cuban's story, much like Musk's, shows us that with the right investment and a dash of daring, it's possible to turn millions into billions. Both Musk and Cuban are testament to the fact that with a keen eye for opportunity, a willingness to take risks, and a relentless drive to succeed, extraordinary things can happen. So, what can we learn from the financial journeys of these two industry titans? We've observed how Elon Musk and Mark Cuban leveraged the power of smart investments to catapult their wealth. They didn't merely invest, they invested wisely, understanding the potential of the sectors they were entering. From the internet boom to the rise of electric vehicles and space exploration, their choices were not random. They were strategic, calculated, and forward-thinking. Their journeys emphasize the importance of seizing opportunities during times of technological change. Just as Musk and Cuban capitalized on the dot-com boom, so too can we learn to spot and seize opportunities in our current era of rapid technological advancement. Artificial intelligence, blockchain technology, renewable energy, these are the frontiers of our time, ripe with potential for those daring enough to venture. But it's not all about spotting the right sector at the right time. It's also about having a vision for the future. Both Musk and Cuban are visionaries. They saw potential where others didn't, and they dared to dream big. Musk's ventures into electric vehicles and space travel were not widely supported initially, yet his unwavering belief in these sectors has paid off enormously. Similarly, Cuban's early investment in an internet startup was a gamble, but one that he believed in and that ultimately transformed him into a billionaire. The lessons from their journeys are not just about financial success, they're about resilience, vision, and the audacity to challenge the status quo. They remind us that while there are risks involved in making bold moves, the rewards can be life-changing. In conclusion, the journeys of Musk and Cuban show us that with the right investment, the courage to embrace technological changes, and a vision for the future, we too can achieve extraordinary things. These stories remind us that while there are risks involved, the rewards can be life-changing. The financial journeys of Elon Musk and Mark Cuban are filled with lessons for aspiring entrepreneurs and investors alike. Let's take a moment to recap the key takeaways from their stories. From Elon Musk, we learned that it's not always about where you start, but where you're willing to go. Musk's initial fortune wasn't from Tesla, but from a unique investment during the dot-com boom. This investment paved the way for his involvement in Tesla and ultimately SpaceX, ventures that now account for the majority of his staggering net worth. Mark Cuban's tale, on the other hand, reminds us that everyone starts somewhere. From his humble beginnings as a bartender, Cuban leveraged the same unique investment vehicle as Musk and made his fortune during the dot-com boom. These stories underline the importance of recognizing and seizing the right investment opportunities, especially in the face of technological change. They remind us that with calculated risks and smart investments, the potential for success is limitless. But perhaps the most important lesson from these titans is that wealth is not merely about numbers. It's about the power to influence, to innovate, and to make a difference in the world. So, to all future millionaires and billionaires out there, remember this. Keep dreaming, keep investing, and keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible. You never know, your name might be the next one we discuss in our video series. If you enjoyed this video, do like, share, and comment. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future financial content. Until next time, future millionaires and billionaires, keep dreaming and keep investing.